JavaScript series element visibility checks. In this topic we will check how can we detect hidden element and visible element in our browser viewport. So let us start. Here is three elements. First with EL visible element. Second one is EL hidden for hidden element, and third one for output. We will see our output here. Visible element we can see, and hidden element we cannot see because of display none. I am going to open app.js, include it bottom of the document. Three variables declared with particular that elements. We are going to start our function. Function hidden element checker, FUNC function short form, EL as a parameter inside the function block. I will declare another variable style. This variable will get style of the element EL. After this, on second line, I use return style dot display equal to none, or style dot visibility equal to hidden. In both cases, this function will return true if our element style is display none or visibility hidden. In other case, function will return false value. Let's see now output of our function. Output inner HTML equal to is visible $! Hidden, or here I pass visible element. If you are not familiar with this syntax, you can check my another video, link in our description. Let's see now the result. You can see is visible false, and another is hidden. Same function I include here and pass hidden, is hidden. As you see now, for our first element, we get response false because of the visible element is actually not hidden. Er visible and here I write el hidden is hidden. I hope now is clear. The element visible is hidden false and is hidden, and element hidden is hidden true. Let's change the style of visible. Let's change the style of visible element. Visibility hidden. Now you can see nothing will change. Same styling now I'm going to apply on visible element. You can see now both are true, and after removing hidden style, now both are false. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.